I'm here with Clara, and she's a first-year university student at U of T. How do you feel, Clara?
I'm very excited. I was nervous before I got here, but the whole introduction to first year was really friendly and helpful, and now I don't think I'm nervous at all. So.
Excellent. What program are you in?
I'm doing art history and French, so yeah, humanities.
Awesome, awesome. And are you from Toronto, Clara?
No, I'm actually from London, Ontario, so it's a bit of a trip.
Are you scared of the big city?
No, I actually chose University of Toronto for that purpose because I want to be in a big city.
Groovy. So you've been here for what, a week or so?
Yep, about a week. Yeah.
Have you had any crazy experiences yet?
Not really. No, I'm more of a quiet person, so I don't really get into the crazy stuff. But
all right, cool. So did you leave a boyfriend or girlfriend behind when you came here?
No, I just have a lot of friends in London, so I came here. I think there's a couple of my friends from high school who are here, but I haven't really seen them around, so I'm more open to making friends right now.
Making friends and maybe finding that potential love mate?
Exactly.
What do you look for in a mate?
It's tough. I think someone who's friendly, very open to their feelings, so there's no confusion as to what they're feeling. I like someone who's smart and funny.
And into art?
Not necessarily studying art, but open to the arts, yeah. Like someone who likes arts, probably, yeah.
Cool. Do you hear that, U of T? Men who are open to the arts? Come meet Clara. Okay, thank you so much, Clara.
No problem.